my name is Adibula Firani and I'm from Group 1, which will discuss internal control in accounting information system. Previously, the members of Group 1 consisted of Citra Dewi Arumi, Intan Nursici Fitriani, Muhammad Fikri Afriansyah, and Jessica Milan. The first topic of discussion will presented by myself. So, this article reviews the importance of internal control for accounting information system. The accounting information system is a frame of reference in the implementation of the accounting process in an organization. The accounting process that produces financial statement must be adequately guaranteed to avoid errors and irregularities, whether intentional or not. The method used in writing this article is a literature study. The conclusion that can be drawn from this article is that the financial statements, which are means of accountability from the manager of the organization to interested parties, must be adequately guaranteed to be free from errors. In this case, internal control has a big role in realizing it, although there are still other factors, namely audits from public content. As long as the economy uses money as a means of payment, the role of accounting is always crucial because accounting records business events that are financial in nature. Merchandise sales, salary payment, and credit purchases are examples of business events that accounting record. In various life activities, we rely heavily on the reliability of accounting. These organizations call companies even use accounting as a language to facilitate operational activities, make business decisions, and to account for the implementation of managerial duties. Accounting is also commonly used to compare the work performance of a company with other companies. Therefore, companies use accounting as the language of business, which accounting is the business language. In short, accounting is everywhere and useful in everyday life, both for individual and for organization.
Accounting Information System, or AIS, face various threats. The threats include A. Destruction due to natural and political disasters, such as fire and extreme heat, floods, earthquakes, windstorm, and wars. B. Software error and equipment malfunction, such as hardware failures, software error or crashes, operating system failures, and other. C. Intentional action include accident caused by human error. D. Deliberate action include sabotage, computer fraud, and theft. The internal control system is the responsibility of the management of an organization. Management responsibility includes its creation and maintenance. The internal control system must be adequate. The internal control system is an integral part of the accounting information system. Without the support of an adequate internal control system, the accounting information system will not be able to produce reliable information for decision making. The internal control system applied to the accounting information system is very useful for preventing and maintaining unwanted things. Next, based on the several definitions described above, it can be concluded that internal control is a design of organizational procedure that encourage the creation of management policies to create operational efficiency, protect assets, and most importantly, to prevent fraud against company assets. By looking at the above definition, the function or importance of internal control can be identified as follows. 1. Protecting the organization asset from adverse action and circumstances. 2. Checking for damage to accounting data so as to produce reliable data in decision making. 3. Improve business efficiency in operation. 4. Encouraging adherence to established management policies. Research method. The research method used in this research is literature study. The data collection technique used is a literature study, which is data collection carried out by reviewing reference journal on the internet. The type of data used is secondary data in the form of journal related to the discussion. Data analysis use the descriptive method, which describe the result of the research and then draws conclusion.
Research result part of the internal control system components. 1. Control environment. The control environment set the tone for an organization, influencing the control consciousness of its people. The control environments provide direction for the organization and influence the control consciousness of the people in the organization. Some of the influential factors in the control environment include integrity and ethical values, commitment to competence, board of directors and audit committee, management style and operating style, organizational structure, assessment of authority and responsibility, PR practice and policy. Next, the control environment consists of the following factors: commitment to integrity and ethical values, management philosophy and operating style, organizational structure, audit body and board, methods for assessment, authority and responsibility, policy and practice in human resource, and external influence. 2. Control activities. Control activities are policies and procedures that help ensure that management directives are carried out. They help ensure that actions are taken to mitigate risk to the assessment of the entity objectives. Control activities can be categorized as follows: information processing control, which include general controls, application controls, proper authorization, documentation recording, and independent checks. Segregation of duties, physical control, and performance reviews. 3. Risk assessment. Risk assessment is the entity identification and analysis of risk relevant to achieving its objectives, forming a basis for determining how risk should be managed. Risk management analyzes the risk relationship of specific financial statement associations with activities such as recording, processing, summarizing, and reporting financial data. Risks relevant to financial reporting include internal and external events and circumstances that could occur and adversely affect an entity's ability to record, process, summarize, and report financial data consistent with management assertions in the financial statements.
D. Information and communication. Information and communication is the identification, capture, and action of information in a form and time that enable people to carry out their responsibility. Information system relevant to financial reporting include accounting system that contain methods for identify, aggregate, analysis, classify, recording and reporting transactions, and maintaining accountability for asset and liability. Communication include providing description of individual duties and responsibility related to the internal control structure in final reporting. A. Mentoring performance of oversight is approach that determines the quality of internal control performance of time. Performance of SIG is also referred to as monitoring. Monitoring includes determining the design and operation of control in a timely manner and taking corrective action. This process is carried out through ongoing activities as separate evaluation or various combination of three. Conclusion. The accounting information system is a tool assessed by organization in recording all events that contain monetary value. With the accounting operation system, the accounting process can be carried out properly. The accounting process begins with a transaction, the recorded weight of the session. The next step is recording journal, records, balance sheet, and financial statement. Financial statements are the final result of the accounting process in the form of a statement of financial position, balance sheet, and a statement of operating ratio, profit loss statement. If necessary, other reports are added, such as cash flow statement, statement of gains in capital, and so on. Whatever the form and name, the financial report is an accountability tool from the manager of the organization to party who have an incentive. An accountability tool must have sufficient reliability so that it can be stored by parties with an interest in the organization. Internal control is one of the instruments that can be asked to produce reliable financial reports. With good internal control, every process that takes place in the organization will be controlled respect so that the recording is the from of financial statement are also free from errors. Internal control cannot whereas the final statements are absolutely correct because internal control cannot that collusion carried out by organizational personnel or even by management itself. For this reason, the role of independent audit conducted by external independent auditing public accounts. The independent auditor reports will vary the actual condition of the final statement. Thank you.
The topic presented by Vicky was the last topic of our group. Please apologize if there are any mistake in the presentation of our group. That's all from us. Thank you very much.